Who the fuck is this bitch? Huh? Who's that bitch? La 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 la. She's that bitch. La 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 la. Subscribe to that bitch. La 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 la. Nah, but like she's like really freaking cool.
Hi loves, so this is the Rose Gal wig that I told you guys that I was going to redo, but I'm going to go ahead and color it. If you guys forgot that video or what it was, this is the video here. It was the 4 wigs under $20 video, and as you can see, it just looks a mess. It's weird, the color's off, so I decided that I'm going to go ahead and just dye the synthetic. We're going to go with the color. Can you guys guess? Put it all in the comment section, see if you guys go. But this wig was pretty cheap. I will put everything in the description box for you guys, the price, the name, and such. This is going to be a 2-part video. I'm going to show you guys the coloring process first. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys the cutting of the wig in the next video. So here we go. You're going to need a few things, which is a bowl that you don't care about. Obviously, the dye that you're going to use. I'm using the Rit Dye More Synthetic dye. And I got this from Michael's, really cheap. You're obviously going to need your wig and you're going to need a boiling thing of water. I suggest that you use a towel under this, but I'm at base house, so I just didn't care, sadly. So we're just going to pour a hot boiling water in there. Now, typically you'd put the wig in there and then the dye, but I like to put the dye in and then I put the wig. So I'm just shaking it up a little bit. It's not really necessary for you to shake it, but you know, a girl is extra. So I had to go ahead and do it. So I'm just doing this for dramatic effect so you guys can see what it looks like. Just pouring the dye. You could do this with any color dye. They have a bunch of colors at Michael's, and I believe it was like $4 or $5. But like I said, I'll put everything in the description box for you guys. And then I just go ahead and put the wig in. You want to kind of push the wig down with something and use gloves because your hands will die from this process. So I couldn't find anything that was disposable, so my ass just ended up using the bottle that I had just to make sure the entire wig was underneath and submerged. That's a very important part of this process. And as you can see, I spilled, but I picked it up. And here you're just going to let the wig sit for about 15-20 minutes. You can let it sit a little more, but you're pretty much going to get all the color that you can in the 15 to 20 minutes. And you don't need to stir it or anything like that. Make sure you keep it away from children because like I said, it will stain, but you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some Awesome. That's what I use to get it out. So next thing, you're going to go ahead and pour the dye down the sink. I suggest that you use a stainless steel tub or something. If you don't have stainless steel, then you might want to just throw the water away or something. But you can use the Awesome that I suggested. It's in the cleaning section in the Dollar Tree. That's what I used. And now you're just going to take your wig and run it through water. As you can see, I have a glove on my other hand because I don't want it to dye my nails that I had just got done. So that helped me a bit. But we're going to rinse out the wig until the water runs clear. That's pretty much the second to last step. And then next you're going to let it sit out and hang it somewhere and let it dry overnight. So super, super simple. And then once you're done with those 2 tasks, your wig should look something like this. I love the way this wig came out. It's like a Kylie Jenner wannabe almost. So cute. So there will be a part 2 coming out tomorrow showing you how I cut and style this wig to make it look even better. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Tomorrow I will have that part 2. Love you guys. Bye.